turbo 350 transmission. Let's see if the 4-barrel will open up. Oh shit, we fired the tire off. Hit second good, valves are rattling like crazy. Dang, didn't pull bad. It's cold and those old tires are hard. That's probably the only reason it burned the right rear tire off. Might need to put some premium fuel in here. Some valves were rattling like crazy. But she runs good. We'll get on her again, run her through the gears. It's got low compression on one cylinder at idle. Once it revs up, it's good. Let's see. 4-barrel open again. Ooh, them valves are horrible. Yeah, that doesn't sound good, mates. Probably put some premium in here. Probably wouldn't do that, or turn the timing back. Giving her hell today. Be alright. I don't know if the phone's picking up the valves rattling. Ooh, ooh. I gotta quit doing that. Uh-oh, got him an old school over here for sale. Oh shit. We'll probably peel the tire right here. Oh. Smoked it till it grabbed second. Valves were rattling. It ain't fast by no means, but no worn out motor, runs good. Shift's good. Got me a 700 R4 in the bed. Just got to put an input shaft in it. Yes, sir. You're going to be cruising like me in no time, old son. Pull it out in the first. Snart that bitch. Yes, sir. Damn speaker fell. It pulled 2 that time, but usually it only pulls 1.